myntri rangbah ke jylla konrad ke sangma mentag sngi ulalit banyadan lang hakasngi kot katayau le kemen ki samla pule kasinat college kabla long hamadan student jayau pada kani kasngi lara khiru yaka diamond jubilee ka college haba kren haki samla pule myntri rangbah la ongba kaching penlut ka bakong san tam e kalong ban kinti ki samla kata kade ka pule puthi pat ka sorkar kalabu ikani ka benta ka bahak hamat e ka we na ki matrekam haba pai ka college ula ong baya ka la sedang ha kaching sedang ibarat henry da kaching tre sitom kinong yang lam ka balang kani ka college kala kiu kum bakal long menta bat ha ka ba we ni ki myntri rangbah ka jylla bam kwai ha dwaru blai uba jd rembahai ude we ni ki samla pule na kani ka college ha kani ka sngi ha ba kren chapang ki samla ul ong ba ka jylla ka dan march teng ki pai ba nong shong shinong ki ba lakhat pras nem bat ha po arpus nem bat kini kin long shisha ki jingklan bor jong ka jylla myntri rangbah ula kren ben yaw ya kaching kiu kaching don ki badi drugs bar ki ba yo ya kaching pang yang kulia kum taula kentu ban long ki ba adakar ban laj ni kini ki ai haba pai ka yo kam yo jaman laus nem ki dan rio pawachar ngut ki samla ki bala rong ha ka kerta wat kam wacham henry ki kam bala laj ha ka sorkar ha ka shisnem ki long tang ha padeng shia char bat ara char tylli kaching kali she ai ki san pupra ha char ngut ki lej ke jubab ya kata ka long ba ki samla kin pentebet yaladi ha ki we pat ki kam ka ba ka sorkar ka ai ching krishat bat ukentu ya ki samla bakin bat ya ka akor ka buram
my and my family's relationship, partnership, friendship with Synod College has been not just for years, but for decades and for generations. And therefore, Synod College holds a very special place in my heart because of the kind of relationship we have had. And therefore, this particular moment is a very, very emotional and a very, very happy moment for me to be part of this Golden Jubilee celebration. And I thank Madam Principal and all the organizing committee members for having invited me here to be part of this program. Friends, we have always believed that the greatest investment that we can make as a society and as a government is investment in human capital. Education is the way forward in which we can change our society, transform our people, and take our state forward. Yes, there are challenges. And yes, it is a long process. But I'm happy to inform you that as a state, as a society, and as a government, we are in the right direction of taking the education sector to the next level. We must focus on skilling. We must focus on entrepreneurship. We must come out with different models and programs to promote both of these. And as a government, we'll be happy to work with different institutes to promote this. We are already doing it, but we need to do much more. So friends, with these few suggestions and words, I once again wish you all the very best. This must have been a very, very exciting week for all of you. I'm sure all the youngsters will remember this moment and this last 1 week for the rest of their lives. And I hope that you all enjoyed it. But more importantly, I hope that Synod College, the values that it believes in, the Christian faith and the values that it has taught, has made each and every one of you a better person.